METADICHOL regulates blood pressure. METADICHOL helps regulate blood pressure by binding to vitamin D receptors and acting as an inverse agonist. At the same time, METADICHOL increases vitamin C levels beyond what can be achieved with oral supplements. Since vitamin C is an antioxidant, it reduces C-reactive protein and cholesterol levels. Vitamin C will improve vascular function, reduce blood lipids, blood pressure, and improve vasodilation by increasing the nitric oxide level. With a molecular weight of less than 60 nanometers, METADICHOL can regulate systolic and diastolic blood pressure and can achieve antihypertensive and anti-inflammatory effects. METADICHOL regulates blood glucose. METADICHOL binds to the cell membrane receptors throughout the body to stimulate the immune system and inhibit a variety of metabolic diseases, especially diabetes, obesity, and hypertension. Besides that, METADICHOL is a multivariable agonist, which plays a bidirectional effect to increase or decrease the activity of insulin according to the body and also can effectively regulate insulin secretion and blood glucose. At the same time, METADICHOL also promotes the body's metabolism, regulates hormone secretion, regulates fat and blood glucose metabolism, increases insulin secretion, improves insulin sensitivity, and prevents diabetes complications by increasing adiponectin levels. Adiponectin levels also promote microvascular regeneration around damaged cells and strengthen immunity. Therefore, METADICHOL is safe and effective in controlling blood glucose levels in the human body. METADICHOL can prevent or improve cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases. METADICHOL increases apolipoprotein, APOA1, which has the same effect as high-density lipoprotein, HDL. That can transport excess cholesterol in the blood to the liver for catabolism, thereby preventing arteriosclerosis. At the same time, METADICHOL will increase the level of adiponectin, which effectively improves blood lipid and blood glucose metabolism. Promotes insulin secretion that prevents metabolic diseases, cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases. Numerous studies have also found that elevated lipoprotein A is associated with heart disease. METADICHOL can inhibit the elevation of lipoprotein A levels. Prevents fat deposits from forming plaques on walls of blood vessel that causes thrombosis. To prevent cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases occurring. In a conclusion, METADICHOL has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, and can strengthen immunity. It can control and reduce inflammation and inflammatory response in the body through various mechanisms, thereby reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, cardiovascular and cerebrovascular disease. Finally, as for the direction of usage for healthcare, take at least 10 sprays, at least 8 times daily, for the first bottle. Second bottle onwards, take at least 5 sprays, at least twice daily. In addition, people with underlying health problems can take at least 10 sprays, at least 8 times daily for the first bottle. Second bottle onwards, take at least 10 sprays, at least 5 times daily. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.